The story of Earth's formation. The cosmic cloud. Once upon a time in the vastness of space, there was a giant cloud made of gas and dust. This cloud was known as a solar nebula, spinning and heating. Over time, the cloud began to spin faster and faster. As it spun, it started to flatten into a disk. The center of this spinning disk got hotter and hotter. This growing ball of heat and light became the sun, gathering rocks. Around the young sun, the leftover gas and dust started to clump together. These clumps were small rocks and ice. They bumped into each other and stuck together, growing larger and larger. Building the planet. As these clumps collided, they formed even bigger chunks. These chunks eventually came together to create a large, round object. This was the early Earth, a big ball of rock. Cooling down. In the beginning, Earth was extremely hot and covered in molten lava. But as time passed, the surface began to cool. The outer layer hardened and formed a solid crust. The first oceans. Water vapor from volcanoes and other sources began to condense and fall as rain. This created the first oceans, filling up the low areas of Earth's surface, the start of life. In the warm, shallow oceans, tiny, simple life forms began to appear. These early life forms were very small but important. They were the first living things on Earth. Growing and changing, over millions of years, the simple life forms evolved into more complex plants and animals. Forests grew, seas teemed with life, and Earth became a vibrant, living planet. The Earth today. Now, Earth is a beautiful and diverse planet with mountains, oceans, forests, and creatures of all kinds. It's our home, and it has a rich history that began with a swirling cloud of gas and dust. And that's how our amazing Earth was formed, step by step.